Okay? Remember, we're not gonna finish the tamales here in the live because we're not gonna be here together until midnight.
No.
Okay? We will assemble, we will place in the steamer basket, and then we will sign off. And then the competition to get those hex pad pans are you posting your plated tamales. You have 24 hours for that. That's important because sometimes tamales are soft, and then you let them sit and you let them rest, and next day they're perfect. For some people, honestly, that's how it goes. So wait until the next day if you want to plate them, or plate them tonight.
La Guadalupana, la Guadalupana, la Guadalupana bajo el Tepeyac. La Guadalupana, la Guadalupana, la Guadalupana bajo el Tepeyac.
Same deal. This one's much easier. This masa isn't as wet as the other one, so this one's just easier to spread.
A ver, lo que quieren ver es eso así muy de cerca, entonces ahí es la mejor toma.
Sí, no, do the one from the top.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, I'll be over here. It's kind of hard to do it when I'm...
¿Te ayudo?
That's fine. No, that's fine. It's easiest when it's in your hand. So you want to make sure you get like an even spread. This is enough. And it's like a quarter of a cup per tamal. Okay. ¿Me pasas una cuchara, 2 cucharas y un tenedor, Vane, por favor? I'm trying to lean it over this way, so it's getting a little messy, but... Okay? Hacia los chiles, okay? We've got that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of the corn mixture, like about a tablespoon. Remember, we can be generous. Not too much because you don't want it to run out before you get to the end. And maybe 2 rajas. And then maybe a couple pieces of cheese. Make sure these are not too chunky so that you can actually close your tamal. Look how beautiful, you guys. And then, like I said, if your corn husk is too big, you can definitely strip off some of the edge pieces so it's not too much. And then to fold it, don't worry if your masa overlaps. You want to go over the top. And then this one goes over the other side, and that's it. That's it. And then you can squeeze up a little bit from the bottom. See, this one has a little bit extra corn husk that we can remove, which is totally fine. And then you just fold it up, and that's it. That's how you make your tamal, okay? Okay? So you could probably get 3 in that, that my tamales are standing upright and looking very beautiful.
Is that para que no se salga todo everything? Okay.
Yeah, because...
So yo hubiera pensado que no me los pongo así.
No, if you put them lying down, I mean, some of the masa can run out, which wouldn't be ideal. Like, this just ensures...
Okay. Más que nada because of that.
Yeah.
When you fill your pot, you're going to get an even layer of corn husk over the top. This looks like kind of lopsided because I've only done half. But when you fill it, you cover the top with the husk, and then this wet rag has been fully, it's wet, it's been wrung out, and then you're going to put it over your tamales to cover completely. And I'll tell you why this step is important. It's not going to burn you.
De tus ojos divinos
cambiaron mis penas por dicha y placer. Desde entonces yo siento quererte con todas las fuerzas que el alma me da.
Yeah, send me DMs. What do you want? I think it's going to be the beginning of the year. And when we voted last time, you guys wanted healthy Mexican.
See?
You guys want to be ripped. You want abs. Yeah.
That sounds good.
No, they wanted healthy Mexican food. So I think it's more about, I think substitutions perhaps. I'm not into low-fat cooking, like no sugar cooking, like into weird substitute or chemical substitute. Like honestly,
I feel like if you're eating whole foods and a balanced diet, like that's what, like if you're looking for good sources, if you're eating organic, if you're eating non-GMO, if you're eating, you know, good proteins, good fats, that to me is like a,
Well, yeah, I think
Healthy
they're
Mexican.
misinterpreting. Healthy doesn't mean that you're gonna eat a broccoli and you know.
no, what I'm saying is
No.
to me,
Yeah, I understand. Exactly.
yeah, like to
Doesn't
me,
you-
diet soda isn't healthy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
substituting
Oh my God,
with,
no.
with,
Solo se vive una vez.
Everybody's dancing.